In today's episode, we're mostly going to be concentrating on getting the old floorboards up and working out how the hell we're going to get a new 7.2 metre joist through the window. Right, so we're pretty much ready to lay our first long span of the new joists. Essentially, pretty much we've got a bit of a datum point, which is this laser level down here. So this is basically our high point here by the wall, and it sloped down here, sloped down, yeah, and then sloped down that way. So basically, our point where we can't go up any lower is here.
Which is where, but we say we're converted to 6x2.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
So if we're 110 off of that.
Right, so we're coming to an end of a day on getting the new floor joists installed, as you can see. So yeah, we've basically got to a stage where yeah, we've done all we can. I've got glue in my hair. We're just kind of, yeah, just a little bit pissed off, you know, thought progress was going to go a bit quicker, but is what it is. We'll come back tomorrow, hopefully get it done then. We should be able to get it to a position where we've got enough strength in the ceiling again to remove the acro props downstairs, and then they can go back to normal life. But yeah, see you tomorrow.
This is what you don't see on the time lapse. All the really annoying the annoying bit.
Cutting and measuring.
What are we doing?
Cutting shit.
Trying to get these copper pipes out, and it's a bit talky-porky. What have you done?
There must have been a mark. That went off.
Shit!
That line's good. Bang on that one.
Lol.
Fuck's sake.
Can you turn it around now? That's...
No. No. What another? There must have been a little mark on the wood. I just went squared straight off that. She's like, yeah, she's good.
Okay, start again. Nice.
We have progress. What are we? 2/3 of the way there. A bit of a long slog, isn't it? Taken so much longer than we ever anticipated to get to this stage, but I mean, for one, it is now perfectly level and undoubtedly much stronger. So you know, we're getting to a stage where it's going the right way, in the right direction. Yeah, we've just got this little kitchen area to go now. This area was actually just all pretty strong anyway. We didn't have an issue with. It's not level. There you go. It's not level, but it does need bringing up to different offsets and floor height. So we've got a little bit of fanning around with this water feed in. Again, that was our main water feed there to our building, and then it goes off to there, so we're going to have to notch where it's going to go through the joists, which is annoying because yeah, we would like to just get rid of that. You know, it is what it is. The strength in the floor is there, so we're not worried about taking too much out with the notch. It's just, yeah, it's more how to do things right. So yeah, going back, all their electrics, we've had their electrics off once to feed through some of these electrics, but yeah, they will need to be drilled and put through the joist as well. We'll do that sometime. But yeah, we'll just crack on with this today and get this one done.
How's it going, babe?
them in room we. Forgot about that. Tired. What we have is one completely level floor. Like, I mean, I think like regulation spec something like over a 6 meter span, you get like 20 mil height difference. We have like 2 to 3 mil height difference across the whole floor, which is amazing. Obviously, the finished floor will be all self-leveled anyway. So yeah, we're really not worried too much about that at all. Happy. It's so cool to see the floor in like one sort of colour, one, you know, area and one level. And the best thing about it all is the fact it is level. I can't focus. There we go. Absolutely cock on. So our first measurement is this one here, and at the top of the laser level we are 186. So that's 186 mil from that laser level. And then if you follow me, Anna, all the way over. Oh, I haven't turned the laser level. Twist that crown. Cool. Follow me. Right. Take our point where Anna's not standing. Let's go over here because you're over the light. And to the top of the laser. I mean, that is bang on 186. Ooh, 186 on the money. What have we got to say about that, Anna? So I'm not like fully like bigging myself up on that, but I'm pretty happy with that because it took a lot of work to get that level and yeah, somewhere, you know, just a good solid foundation for us to build the floor off. You know, it's pretty important, obviously. So yeah, happy. For all you viewers at home, see how Anna goes across this floor. Super confident. Like, see, not even bothering her. It's like she's just walking. I mean, look at that. Is that because of the camera you're stepping over there? Dude. Right, so outro, Anna. So yeah, we're pretty much done with this episode. Pretty much, yeah, I was gonna say most of the episodes now will basically have some sort of format rather than just clearing a load of shit, knocking down a load of shit. We're actually, you know, we're starting to build things back up, which is exciting. The next episode is going to go through talking about the plans of the build. You know, what rooms are going where. You know, we've had loads of visitors to the place and they've like not kind of realised. Well, I mean, it's not a big apartment by any means, but it looks quite small in the videos. So we're trying to sort of give you a bit of scale, so you guys at home can sort of like, I don't know, you know, add in little bits of your thoughts in regards to what can go there, your experiences, etc. But yeah. Thanks guys for watching again, much appreciated.
Thank you.
See you on the next episode.